Brindun says, Miss Sadako, kaya mo bang lumabas sa iPhone? Technically,
it's
a TV if you wanted to.
Or paano kung what do you call this? Kunwari, diba, the Sadako video is on tape.
Right.
What if what do you call this? It got formatted into YouTube?
Did you guys hear that?
What?
I'm not kidding, okay? Did you hear it?
No.
There's a laughter. I'm not kidding.
Ano ba? I'm getting goosebumpy.
No, for real. I heard it clearly. Like a little girl. Like that.
Me, I didn't hear anything.
I didn't hear anything.
I promise you, I really did hear it. And I'm looking at Butter Baby and I'm thinking, but she's not talking. A rare moment.
A rare.
Baka yung diwa lang niya maingay.
Diwa niya maingay.
Yung diwa niya maingay lang.
Hey, Leify was saying he heard it too.
No! I didn't hear it.
A lot of people, Lilo Boy, Uod. Bakit yung
ang lakas-lakas ng headphones namin. Wala.
No,
I hear everything with clarity.
Me too.
No,
maybe we should be happy.
I don't like that, but I really did hear it.
Wala.
Alam ko na.
Okay.
No, like just one. Like that. But more full. Sorry, I heard it.
Okay.
I heard it.
You really
Sorry.
want to... a lot of people are saying they heard it also.
Kasi promise.
I wish I didn't say it first so that you'll be convinced.
Kasi promise, like, every time we do this Halloween thing, I really don't get scared, promise. Kahit gano'n ka-scary yung story. Pero don't do that. I'm having goosebumps now. First time in a long time.
Hindi, I really thought it was Butter Baby.
Tumayo lahat. Ang balahibo.
Talaga? Parang wala naman
Ba't ka nakatingin?
Oo nga. Hindi, talaga. Lahat ng balahibo ko. Nakatayo. Tayong-tayo.
Maybe we can
No!
Hindi, totoo eh.
Let's look for the playback.
No testing.
Why?
You know what was so funny? Because we were testing the mic. Maybe she said, okay, I'll test it with you.
No.
Ano ba?
No.
Ang tagal nung sun. Gusto ko maraw na. I don't like this. Paano tayo mag-wiwi na ako?
Tara, sabay na lang tayo.
Okay.
I got your back.
Sige.
Or...
Uh-oh.
At the front.
Or...
Tapos sabi nung multo, patay tayo dyan. Ayoko.
Patay tayo. No, I'm serious. I really heard it.
Oh, sige. We'll wrap this up.
Why? You don't have to wrap it up. It's not like you will go anywhere, so you can wrap it up. I mean, you're still gonna stay here.
Away do